To get started with Monday.com board settings, first log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to configure. The board settings panel is located on the right-hand side of the screen and can be accessed by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of the board. In the board settings panel, you can add or remove columns, which are used to track and display information on your board. The available column types include text, date, people, and numbers, among others. To add a new column, click on the Add Column button and select the column type you want to use. You can also customize the board view by selecting the layout and grouping options. The layout options allow you to choose how items are displayed on the board, such as in a table or on a map. The grouping options enable you to organize items by specific criteria, such as by person or by date. Another key feature in the board settings is the ability to set up automations and integrations. Automations allow you to create custom workflows and automate repetitive tasks, while integrations enable you to connect your board to other apps and tools. To set up an automation, click on the Automation button and select the trigger and action you want to use. For example, you can set up an automation to send a notification when a new item is added to the board. In addition to these features, the board settings also allow you to manage user permissions and access control. You can invite new users to the board and assign them specific roles and permissions, such as editor or viewer. Best practices for using Monday.com board settings include keeping your board organized and clutter-free, using clear and descriptive column names, and setting up automations and integrations to streamline your workflow. By following these tips and using the features available in the board settings, you can create a customized and efficient workflow that meets your specific needs. Overall, the board settings in Monday.com provide a powerful and flexible way to customize and manage your workflow. By taking the time to understand and utilize these features, you can get the most out of your Monday.com account and achieve your goals more efficiently.